Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. I am fine. Thank you very much. How to make money with AI use in Chatgpt. How to make money using Chatgpt. Number one, blog posting. Write Chatgpt at your site. You can generate blog post that real in your dedications. Number two, product description. Number three, social media management. Social media management very important. The present time the world was very, especially using AI. AI use and with ChatGPT, lot of AI, but ChatGPT, a lot of what the people that are posting design graphics and etc. Number four, the YouTube channel. The how to lot of people that create AI using the YouTube channel, and YouTube product description, YouTube short reels, create writing, etc. Number five, keyword research. You can the very easy affiliate marketing, CPA marketing use and the keyword research, the chat GTP using the lot of people, lot of freelancer, lot of worker. The how to demandable lot of work, the chat GTP using the affiliate marketing, product niche, etc. Number seven, number six, the provide translation service. You can any translation, writing the translation service and the chat GTP development, Chrome extension with the AI tools, the link building strategy, the search in optimization, the very one part of link building strategy, the AI tool chat GTP. There are version was you can make money from ChatGTP. It can code the Chrome extension, HTML, and this assist you then can on go the monetize. Another popular method to make money with ChatGTP is creating in the ebook with popular that like Amazon. The creating apps, website and extension a model way to making money with the chat GTP by using in help build an application and website. Application and website the make the create and logics and illustrator, the great business idea and the make videos for YouTube, the create the chatbot with a chat GTP and affiliate marketing campaign. The how to use ChatGTP to make money, the seven passive income idea anyone can master. The how to use the ChatGTP make money, the seven passive income ideas anyone can master. Number one, using ChatGTP for blogging, using ChatGTP to create fresh YouTube channel, using ChatGTP with write ebook and self publisher. Number four, using ChatGTP for email affiliate marketing. Number five, the ChatGTP for social media management. How can it use AI to make money? There are many ways to make money using AI. For example, beginning can use an AI content creator and product blog post and monetize. They are using platform like Google AdSense. On the hand, the experience in there are for AI products and these are using. How to make money 2024 and the chat GTP, the six way to make money from chat GTP. Number one, content creation and labeling. Chat GTP to offer the content creator service to the chatbot development, online course and the tutorial, the online course and tutorial consideration service and online content generate and platforms, quality control and continues the learning and building responsibility. The one of AI reviews the reaches 1.6 million user in AI 2023, with most incoming from ChatGPT coming year, the 2.58 billion in 2024. The ChatGPT revenue in using the statistic 2024. The ChatGPT revenue and using statistic 2024. The ChatGPT has taken the world by strong and setting a record from the first user the growth in January when it record the 100 million active user 2 months after the launch. That empathical of these tools are for research with the universities around the world is asking for fine to OA direct ChatGPT using submitted easy and teach again from Google for meta recording in the team for process and communication and citizen their own AI efforts. For those the unaware ChatGPT in chatbot launched by OpenAI article intelligence research able from by some of their big men's teach and Elon Musk are spread that there are same audience in has. It is the third generation, the language model which is organical and this 2028 and ChatGPT 3 was gained and the 175 million the performance the fourth and generation the 2023 they expect and because similar in its to ChatGPT 2, and ChatGPT 3 even in the ChatGPT from the coming the OpenAI CEO same ultimate. The saying on Twitter, there is the incredible and Elon Musk really this one. The dreams on ChatGPT has been great and up in the article intelligence. ChatGPT key of statistics. The ChatGPT set record. There are the page apps on the 100 million active user research them the milestone 2 months. The OpenAI article intelligence generate 1.6 billion record in 2023. The primary thought ChatGPT OpenAI article intelligence most equivalent in the valuable 29 billion is also 10 billion finding recording by Microsoft. ChatGPT over the December launch data 2015 December the HQ San Francisco California the headquarters. The ChatGPT overall the discussion the ChatGPT launching 2015 the headquarters San Francisco California. The people Sam Altman CEO co-founder Greg Brockman and Chairman first is really sustainability and Elon Musk CEO founder. The business type private institute industry the article intelligence. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Your valuable comment. The ChatGPT revenue the 1.6 billion 2023 with most to coming from ChatGPT subscription and engagement user and this year revenue the 100 million ChatGPT user the great user 100 million ChatGPT 2 months in this the last year. The ChatGPT 2002 December user 1 million 2023 57 million and February 100 million. Open the AI valuation, open the article intelligence valuation, open the article intelligence valuation ChatGPT. Thank you very much. The very important information how to make money the ChatGPT that means article intelligence. I can some information my videos. Please subscribe my channel and valuable comment. Thank you very much.